Mate, hello, welcome back. Now today it's Evo day. For all those people that watched the last video on the Evo, this is me now. But today I did try the Evo the other day just to see if it'd start, and nothing, didn't get anything from it. So now that the days are drawing out a little bit and it's getting a little bit warmer, it just makes it a little bit more comfortable to work on it in the garage where it is. There is still a lot to do to it, but ordinarily it isn't starting. So let's get there and have a look. Right, so I have already had a go at trying to find out maybe what's wrong with this. So I've just charged the battery up last night, so that is, as we can see, is now full. So I was going to film me just trying to find out why it doesn't work, but I just thought that'd be an hour of me swearing. So I'll run you through how far I've got. So looking at there, you've got the fuel pump relay, you've got the fuel pump resistor down there. Coming into here, I think there is another fuel relay underneath there that I haven't checked yet. Coming out into here, the fuel sender in there, and then the pump is in there. And for it is the wiring here, so that wiring loom goes across to the top of the tank. Now, to get those pumps out, if it is the pump, you'd have to drop the tank down, because this body here doesn't allow for those to come out easy. So hopefully it's not that. But what I did find was this harness has been put in by my brother to stop. It's just a constant feed. A constant 12 volt feed to the fuel pump, so it's always running, because I think that resistor up front regulates it, so it stops it. So it basically just puts like 10, 12, 9 volts to it to reduce the pump for whatever reason, and all that does is just give it a constant 12 volt feed, and it's always sending fuel. And I think that's to stop the fuel starvation, I think, is what I'm getting from it. Right, so there's something not right. I don't know if it's the immobilizer at the moment or what, but so I'll show you. It's hard to try and explain what it is that I've done so far. So I'll just go through it. Everything's plugged in. I'll just plug it in and I'll try it, and I'll go through a few things that I've tested up to. Right, so I haven't really got much of a test rig. It's only just what I'm trying to bodge together. I bought I bought some things. I've made this basically, so that just goes on to your 12 volt supply on the battery, and then it's got a fuse in, and then this will give whatever a 12 volt supply to it, so it'll give it a bit of juice. This is not what I bought, it's what I've made. What I bought was actually a 12 volt tester, which I thought it was a 12 volt probe. Turns out it's just this. This is what I wanted. Right, so with the charged battery, put that on there. That's the harness that goes to that relay behind the driver's seat. And see what happens. Now that's interesting. You see how that's, the ring's lit up. That wasn't lit up before. What's that? If this is just down to a flat battery, then we'll be laughing. Yeah, flat battery. Back. Honestly, I've been pulling my hair out for days, so I thought I'd just try and charge the battery and see if it works. It works. There you go. It's the immobilizer must need a full 12 volt charge. That's it. It must be the shortest video in the world. But there we go. We're back running. Perfect.